We're going to do a brief video on KO stock analysis. We've got a daily chart of Coca-Cola up here. We're going to take a look real quick, see what's going on. We can see that Coke entered into a bear market right around here about September 12th. It had been above the 200-day moving average, which is in blue here. We've got a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average. And you can see it broke the 200-day moving average right around here in early September and is now down firmly into a bear market on the stock. You can see that it's below the 200, below the 20, and below the 5. We had a slight little gap down day Friday and put in a low of $58. If we take a look here, we can see there's not really any support on this chart until we get down to about $52. And coincidentally, if you go to a weekly chart, this is now a 200-week moving average, but if we go there, you can see we got support about $53.63. So we're looking at the low 50s for some support on Coca-Cola, the stock KO, and I think that's probably where you'll see a bounce. Keep in mind, it doesn't respect the 200-day great, but it does show some respect to it. This is the 200-week moving average respect here in 15, in 17, in 18. Didn't respect it very well at all, but ultimately recovered in 20. And so we'll see what happens. I'm not expecting an absolute stop there, but if it went down to $50 or so, that's probably, somewhere around $53 to $50 is probably some heavy support going to come in there and support Coke. So KO will probably do fine if it gets down that low. Keep in mind our low we're back on a daily chart, our low on Friday was already $58. So that's not a huge amount of drop. We can take a look now. That's technical analysis. We can take a look and see what RBAM research says about Coca-Cola. I believe we cover it in our algorithmic trading, and we do cover Coca-Cola. It's showing zeros across the board, which means it does not have a buy price for Monday. These prices have already been updated. They're for Monday, the 26th of September. I'm doing this on Saturday before. It's 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. They're buys only on here. Basically, the way this works, if you buy in the one-day column, you're buying on the trading day. They're out for the 26th in this case, closing the next trading day just before the close of the loss, or taking your profits sooner if you can get them. Same thing with the 5 and the 20. If you were to buy in the 20, you'd buy around 25 in this case for a quart, and then close out worst case of the loss after 20 trading days, or take your profit as soon as you get it. That's the way these work. So for the Monday the 26th coming up here, we do not have a buy price, which is consistent with the analysis of this stock is in a deep bear market. It's probably going to sell off to the low 50s. So that's what we're looking for KO, Coca-Cola Company. KO is the stock symbol, and we're looking for that for probably next week sometime. We'll see that if it happens. What do we need to see on the alternative? It would have to catch some support really quick here and somehow get some support under this price with some moving averages and so forth rolling around, which I just don't see happening here this week. It doesn't necessarily mean we're going to sell through. This bottom is 57.50 and this one's 58. So there's 50 cents between this bottom back here in March. If we violate that, we'll probably definitely go down to the low 50s. So if it gets past this 57.50 this week, look for lower prices towards $50. If it doesn't, then you're probably going to see some consolidation come across here for a week, maybe even 2 weeks. Get these moving averages, the 5 and the 20, underneath the price, and then push it back up a little bit, probably into the $60 range. That's my best guess, entertainment purposes only, all my opinion for KO, Coca-Cola Company this week. You can get access to 190 stocks that we cover algorithmically every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. There's a link in the description below. You just follow that link to RBAM Research, sign up with your email address. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Every morning they come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. Again, no cost, no credit card required. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have any comments about moving averages, please let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Keep in mind, everything you've heard and seen on here, including the entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.